The showdown just turned into a mini little fight. Come on, kid with no life! Awesome out, freeze. More! I need more. There goes my co-host. Somebody videotape me, because I feel like doing something. Okay, another co-host. Hold it. Point it at me.
Get it off, horsey!
I'm watching him!
Okay. Come on, let me see it now. Let me see it.
Go, plus. You forgot to get him. You didn't get him.
Oh, yeah.
Hyper! Ooh, that looks like it hurt.
Keep going.
That is what I call no showdown, man.
I'm going to toss it on the ground. Turn it around so you can see your
Fag. No one cares about you! Neither you! Kick. This little wigger's got game.
Ooh.
No, you're getting pwned.
Take your head on, grab him. Ooh.
Kick. Defend your brother, Zach. Oh, Zach, come on. I play football. Me. No. Colts. And to part 1.